Hi there folks, I'm out at the range today and I've got some of the Austrian 7.62x51 ammo to try out. So we're going to ring it out of the Kar98k, see how it does for accuracy and also measure the velocity with the chronograph. So let's get at it. Alright, here is the first effort at 100 yards. This is with the sights set to 100 meters and holding on the bottom of the black aiming mark there. So we've got 3 basically touching down there and then 2 up above. Interesting. I'm going to patch those up and we'll go back and try 5 more, see if we can improve on that. Any of that was out of a cold, clean barrel. Here's effort number 2, once again from 100 yards with the Israeli Kar98k. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little better than the first time around, probably because the barrel's getting fouled a bit, settling down. Let's see what we've got for group size. Looks like about 1 3/4 inches for extreme spread between that one and that one. So that's pretty respectable for ball ammo from a shooter whose eyeballs are not the best in the world. And the Kar98k sights have never been ideal in my opinion either, but anyway, that's pretty decent performance out of that whole setup. Plus I was also breaking my position a little bit between shots to write down the velocities off the chronograph, since I haven't managed to get the Bluetooth enabled function to work very well for me. So anyway, interesting. I don't think I'm going to shoot any more of this stuff today. I think I'll save the rest of that box to try with my Remington 700 and see how the stuff does out of a scoped heavy barrel rifle. If it'll do that well with iron sights, I think it will could possibly do a fair bit better out of the bolt action scoped rifle. Anyway, I guess that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. As always, ratings and comments are appreciated, and we'll talk to you in the next one.